Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2007 Honda Goldwing 1800. This bike has 47,300 miles on it roughly and is still in great shape. Doesn't really show any damage, but got some minor scuffs and some light scratches from daily riding. But other than that, this bike is ready to roll. So let's look at the accessories on it and then we will fire it up for you. This touring bike, like I said, for the most part is very clean. Front tires in good shape, got plenty of miles left on that. You know, it's got some light scuffs on it, like that. That's probably the heaviest one of them all. Some light scratches here. It comes with the air deflectors, highway boards, grips, all your Goldwing accessories, a driver's backrest, passenger movable armrests, luggage rack. This Goldwing will be getting a new rear tire. And again, movable armrests for the passenger, driver's backrest, footboards and bag guards, air deflectors, footboards, the grips again. This also has an aftermarket battery gauge that's been installed on it. So like you can see here, we've got some scuffing here on the tank, here, spot here on the bags. So, but like I said, it's all pretty light stuff. A couple of little scratches here on the edge of the mirror again, but you know, minimal stuff going on this bike. Show you the miles now here. $47,295 is what's on it. Looks like we've got a tail light out. Have that fixed in service. This Goldwing will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty, and as long as you own this tourer from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course more accessories. Thank you for shopping Simply Street Bikes.